Hi guys, postman's bin. Two things this could be. This could be a replacement for the faulty battery in the last batch, or it could be the other batteries that I ordered from a different supplier. Oh wow. That's replacement for the one that's faulty in the set that I've got. And he sent me two. Can't complain about that. I'll put them on charge straight away and we'll find out if they're okay. Before we put them on charge, we'll just have a look, see what state they're in. Well, that one's empty. And that one's fully charged. Okay, well I'll put them both on charge and we'll see how they get on. But before we do that, just to recap on the previous set. Let's grab them. So, 1.55. 1.53, 1.53, and then this is the one that was dead. I'll put a little cross on it so I wouldn't get it wrong. Nothing. So that one I'll probably do a little tear down on, have a look at the circuit board inside. And I'll put those two new ones on charge. Right, that's the dead one from the previous set. That's the one that's got some voltage on it. And that's the one that's showing no voltage at the moment. So put it on charge. Okay, you can see these two are flashing while they're charging. Oh, well, they were flashing while they're charging. They've stopped flashing. Interesting. Well, that one's flickering. The red light's flickering, red light's flickering, red light's flickering. Okay, that's the charger red light's flickering. But these have all gone to constant glow. Okay, we'll come back later and check. Put them on charge for a while. Both of the new ones have come up. They're green. The previous one that was faulty is still showing red. So I'll go and put a meter on them and see what we've got. Right. The new one that was actually showing 0 volts, 1.54. The new one that was showing 1.5 something, 1.53. And the one that was dead in the original one, showing about half a volt. Let's just pop them out, make sure there's nothing residual coming from the charger. Nothing on that one. .53, 1.54, nearly 1.55. So, separate video, we'll see if we can get inside this one and have a look at it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.